Before we jump in, please remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Now, have you ever felt overlooked, like your past achievements didn't matter in the present? Reggie Bird, a familiar face from the world of reality television, recently experienced just that. After winning Big Brother not once, but twice, she found herself facing a surprising hurdle, finding employment. Um, and then they, in Reggie attention to the higher and drought to quality, said she applied for entry level positions, hoping for a chance to contribute, but received rejections from both Subway and Aldi. Um, it's a stark reminder that success doesn't always guarantee opportunity. Um, and Reggie didn't let the setbacks define her. Uh, at the same time, she continued to seek work, determined to prove her value. It was a difficult time filled with self-doubt and questioning why employers weren't willing to give her a chance. Recently, things took a turn for the better. Reggie shared a gallery of photos showing her working at a subway stall at QUT University in Brisbane. She was handing out free sandwiches to students. Um, the images showed a radiant Reggie happily interacting with students and colleagues and taking patients that also came to Reggie as C. Is She beamed with pride, clearly delighted to be working and contributing. Uh, she expressed her joy on social media, saying she loved seeing the students' faces light up when they realized the food was free. And it was a simple act, but it made a big impact. Her followers flooded the comment section with messages of support and congratulations. Uh, it was a heartwarming display of community and encouragement. Reggie's story is a powerful reminder that everyone deserves a chance, regardless of their past or present circumstances. It's a testament to her resilience and and determination. She lives with a rare eye condition, limiting her vision to what she describes as looking through a straw. Uh, and Despite this, she remains positive and eager to work. And he goes to show sometimes the best things in life are a little substantial. And It's a win for Reggie, a win for Subway, and a win for anyone who believes in uh, second chances. Uh, with that said, thanks for watching, and next time, thanks for watching.